Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The square root we change by 1 over 2. So if I want to put this one go to numerator, we need to put the negative on the power. So that should be like this. Now we have the formula in here. So the integration of this one, we have as plus b to the power of c plus 1 over a multiplied by c plus 1. And I will put about capital C. This is about the constant. Now we can apply the formula in here. This one we need to add number 1 over, we have coefficient of s, that is about number 3. And now we have the final answer in here. This one we have 1 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. So if we simplify the numbers in here, that is about 10 over 3. Because number 2 go to numerator, so we have number 5 with number 2, we have number 10. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.